Please don't kill me! Stop! 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 Stop there!
What did you do to them?
I did nothing to them. They want to kill me.
What did he do to you?
We are hunters. We were sent by our elders to get human heads to bury our king. Please forgive us.
We are very sorry, Dogo Wine. Please forgive us.
You come to my land in search of human heads for rituals? How dare you! I ought to kill you right now!
Please spare our lives. Let's go back to our land. Please.
Do not kill us, please.
I will spare your lives.
Thank you.
Go home. Tell your people that my people are special and will not be used for rituals. Go home!
Thank you. Thank you.
You have to thank her.
Who is she?
I don't know her, but if not for her, I would have been dead by now. She rescued me from those men that wanted to kill me.
You went in search of udara fruits. What happened?
Mama, it's a long story. It's a long story.
He was almost killed by some headhunters. You should keep your eyes on him.
Thank you so much for rescuing my son. But what?
I am the Jello Wine, the queen of the jungle. Take care of your son. He has a great future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. There is a difference between mortals and immortals. You know the stuff I am made of. I warn you. Tell this to anyone and I will kill you. Don't give me conditions, because I am not scared of you. Your instructions aren't for me to obey. You are not worthy to live. Please don't kill me! Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey. Hey. Chimo. is Chelawai appearing in my dream? Huh? Moreover, she warned me not to tell anybody about it. Hi. Chelawai, you are a terror, dead or alive.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings. Greetings, my queen. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. Make sure you scrub those edges very well.
Yes, my queen. Greetings, my queen.
Greetings. Get me something very chilled.
Okay, my queen.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Kobe,
Yes, Your Highness.
is it not obvious to you that the cars are looking very dainty?
I watched them later, my queen. Yes, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings.
I'm happy to be in your presence. Your wish is my command.
And you? Go and see if the breakfast is ready.
Your time for you to ask me a question. My question goes to you like this. What would you like to be in the future? I want to become a lawyer. God forbid you should inspire to study something more lucrative than law. Law is very lucrative. Alright, which profession is more lucrative than law? Tell me! Medicine is more lucrative than law, and that is what I will study. As for me, I don't want to be a lawyer. I want to be a medical doctor. Look at you. So you don't know lawyers are smart and brilliant more than doctors? That's a lie. Doctors save lives and are more important. If you're still arguing about that, let's go ask Mom. Then let's go.
These kids are very intelligent. You can say that again. They will be a blessing to their family. That's true, my dear.
Mommy, we were arguing about something, so I want to ask you the question.
What were you both arguing about?
Doctors and lawyers, which are more important in the society?
Both. Both are very important in the society. So why do my princesses argue about this?
I told her that I want to become a lawyer so I could defend the undefended and ensure fair justice. But she said doctors are more intelligent and brilliant than lawyers.
Mom, I said so because doctors heal the sick and save lives. It's not just a profession for people who are not smart, brilliant, and intelligent. More of our life is more important than having fair justices.
Okay.
Life is lifeless without law or justice.
It's alright. Both are very, very, very essential. Okay?
You are welcome, Your Majesty.
Did I assign you to be at the gate today?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, I can't explain.
You dare talk when I haven't asked you? Leprosy!
Your Majesty.
Give this idiot a knock.
Yes, my Majesty.
Don't pick your gun. Put it back on your head. Now talk.
Your Majesty, the Queen asked me to wash those cars.
The Queen!
Yes, Your Majesty.
I gave you an order. And the Queen says otherwise. You violate my order. Whose voice is supreme?
It is yours, Your Majesty.
What is my word? You know my words or no? Shut! What is my word? Adama! Adama!
Your Highness, breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready. Come on, let's go eat. Let's go have breakfast.
Adama!
Father, you're back. Father, you're back.
My lord, you met us well. Please join us for...
You know how much I hate my instructions and orders being thwarted, and yet you violate them. Why are you getting on my nerves? Why?
What did I do?
What did you do? What did you do? Who asked Covey to leave his duty post only to go wash cars? You?
My lord, I noticed the cars were dirty and I know you won't be happy to see them that way. So I had to instruct him to do so. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry if it got you upset. Please.
Daddy, come and join us.
Daddy, the aroma of the food is delicious and I know you'll like it.
Yes.
My lord, please join us for breakfast.
You still have the mouth to talk. Join you for what stupid breakfast? How about a son? How about giving me a son? I do not want breakfast, I want a son! Give me a son! Little much to ask! Give me a son that will sing on this throne! Give me a son! Give me a son that will sing on this throne and join my ancestors! Give me a son! That's my appetite! Give me a son! Give me a son!
Mommy, it's okay. Mommy, don't cry. If you cry, I hope to make us to cry.
Go have your breakfast, okay? I'll join you guys later.
No, we want to stay with you. Yes, we want to stay with you.
Give me a son.
That's how it happened. I can't remember the last time I discussed with my husband politely as couples.
Just calm down. Oh, calm down. Chidebe is my son. I'll speak to him. Oh?
You are the queen mother. If Iwe Chidebe can hearken to your voice, then whose voice will he listen to?
I will summon him. Summon him before this time tomorrow. Things will turn around. Okay?
Thank you, queen mother.
You're welcome. Please help me tell my grandkids to come and see me. I haven't seen them today. Okay?
I will do that.
Cheer up. Everything will be fine. Oh?
Thank you, queen mother.
Okay.
Who are you and what are you doing here? What are you doing in my palace?
I am that special lady with a bleeding heart. I need your help.
You have a bleeding heart and you call yourself special. You need my help and you still call yourself special. What are you doing in my palace? How can I help you?
I have what you need. Here, take him. A baby boy. You need him in your family.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Where are you? Where is my baby? Where are you? Please. Can I have my baby, please?
No, you can't.
Why? You told me you gave it to me. Please, let me have him, please. Please.
Not anymore. I changed my mind.
Please do not change your mind. Please. Please give him to me, please. Please. Please, I beg of you. Give me my boy, please. Give him to me, please, I beg you. Let me have him, please.
Any day you have this baby, you will die. Do you want to die?
I do not want to die, but let me have my boy, please. Please. Give him to me, please. Please. No! No! No!
My king, what is it? Are you okay? The dreams again?
Yes. The dreams again. But this time it's terrible.
What was it about?
Take your hands off me. What was what about? Do you now interpret dreams? Give me a son, you refused. Now you talk about dreams. Probably you're the cause of my dream in the first place. What are you doing here? Go back to your room. You're not going. Let's go. Get go. Move it. Move it. Move it. Out of my room. Get out. Give me a son. A son. I'm not asking more. Just give me a son. Move it. Out.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You go greet it. Greetings, Your Majesty.
You two come here. Rule number 15.
No gossip in the palace.
Rule number 15.
No gossip in the palace, Your Highness.
What is my word?
Our law, Your Majesty.
You know my words. Or law. You violate them. Why do you always want to see the best in me? God forbid Take 5 of this bullshit. Put them under the sun. Let them face the sky. Remember to take the phone. Come. Lie down! Run. Run to Onowo's house. Let him know that I need to speak with him. Right now. Hamatan.
Your Majesty.
Go back to the gate. COVID!
Yes, Your Majesty.
COVID. Keep an eye on the palace.
How do you feel now? You'll be completely healed in no time. Yes, you can. But have this. Remember to take your medication at the times that you should. Return in 4 days. You can go.
Thank you.
We thank the gods. My dear, I apologize for having kept you waiting. Please lie.
Okay.
I want to take a closer look at your stomach. Your body will return to normalcy in no time.
And I'll be the happiest woman on earth if it happens.
Rise. Sit. Let me fetch you some herbs.
Thank you.
Ijele nwanyị. Agbala nwanyị ka ibia. Greetings. Hey! Look at me. I am now a complete woman. Ndewo. Hey!
Ogadima, the gods are with you. You look good.
Thank you.
I am surprised to see him here. He does not believe in me. He does not believe in all that I represent.
I am sorry. I was misled by what the people said. But now my wife is a beneficiary of your good work. I believe you. I'm sorry for insulting you. Please forgive me. Please. And that is why we have come here today to show appreciation for the good work. Ijelewai, please accept this little gift from us. Please. And forgive.
I appreciate these gift items, but I will not accept them.
Why?
Why, Ijelewai? Huh? Please, accept it.
See, Ijelewai, if you truly appreciate them, you would accept it. It's from our hearts. Please, you have done a good job for us. Please, accept them. Please.
Take them to the people that have need for it. For that will make the gods happier. Also, I forgive you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Ijelewai.
Now you have seen everything I have been telling you. Yes. But why me? Why don't you show this to someone else? I don't need them. It is not your decision to make. Like I told you before, tell anyone about this and you will die.
Cause of our land. This train again. Why is she always appearing in my dreams? And she will always want me not to tell anyone. Really confused. I'm really confused. What will I do now? Should I tell anyone? Will I really die if I tell somebody?
Hey, Mother, are you alright? I heard you shout and I heard you talking to yourself. I hope you're okay, Ma.
I'm fine, just go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Okay, Your Highness. Boom.
What is going on? Confusion everywhere. Why it is happening? Why it is happening?
Hey, Oluwako se lo. Una emo fia ochichi agba. Gini neme? Ibaba. Wakwa meziokwu edifukwa na m. Wachuba kwa ma achuba me wakpokwa m akpo me. Gini neme na bi igwe. Gini me oja alon ndi ande nido ho anya. Gwam ebu ife ndi o. What is happening? Okay.
Igwe, the spirits have revealed your dream to me
and they've interpreted the meaning to me.
Wise one. What have the gods say?
Baba, you can jejekwa wajukwa mo ndwai. Oma kwa mama mi. Wa mezioku. Baba, wa mezioku atukwa na mo nto. Sika gi kandem boneku gi kandem moneku. We. Adaba.
My Igwe,
your enemies they are working. Seriously, they are working. Neku no ada laula. Neke kan abu izu. No uchi na abo. Ne work wan abu izu. Look at them. Ne work wan atamu no uchi. Look at them.
Wise one! Of course I know I have enemies. That is why he brought you here. The question is, who are the enemies and how can they be stopped?
Okay. The enemies will be reviewed in due course. Well, for the solution, it's going to require a very big sacrifice.
Dikeh, the great witch doctor of the jungle. Do you have anything to say concerning Igwe's dreams?
Hello, Igwe. Ihe na-esi nkapụ sie n'ime. Your Majesty, your enemies are within. But not to worry. The gods shall reveal them one after the other. Oh, yeah, no. Your Majesty, they never wanted him to have a male child, an heir to the throne. You have to fight them. Stop them before they stop you. No, Bunachoreko. Or go through Papa Isikayaga. Mako Isiaka Yako Nano Bob. That is what the gods have for you.
I want them stopped. That is why he brought you here. Go straight to the point, tell me how much it will cost. The requirement. How can I stop these enemies? I want a male child, an heir to the throne. How do I get that?
The big sacrifice. This big sacrifice will cost you 20 cows, fat cows.
Big cows.
Big cows. White rams. 40 white rams.
Big rams. In your case, it was big sacrifice.
Okay, beautiful daughters. Ask mommy any question and I promise I'll answer everything.
Okay. Mommy, why is Daddy unhappy?
Did you both quarrel again, or does it have to do with having us as female children?
Where do you get that notion from? Listen, your daddy loves you both as girls. I mean, you're smart, you're beautiful, you're intelligent. So tell me, why won't daddy love you? Daddy doesn't hate any of you, okay?
Mom, you're the one telling us not to lie, no matter the situation. So why are you lying to us now?
How do you mean?
Mommy, we overheard Daddy telling and scolding you over your inability to give birth to a male child. We know he would have preferred having male children to us.
That's not true. Like I told you, your daddy loves you both. He only wants a male child so you have a brother to play with. Just the same way you enjoy my company, your daddy needs a son to play with. Like a one big happy family. So all you have to do is to pray to God to give mommy a male child, okay?
Okay, Mom. But we are not convinced.
Let's go and ask Dad ourselves the reason for his unhappiness. Mom is just trying to be careful.
Yes, let's go.
These girls want to create a problem between I and my husband.
Let me have my son! Please! Give him back!
You cannot have him! I have him now!
Why? Why? Please! Let me have my son! Please! Give me my baby! Son! Get on my side. Get on my bed. Move it. Move it. Get up. Get up. Up, up, up. Get out. Out! Go back to your room. Give me a son.
My heart is broken. I'm in pain. Oh God, come to my aid. Oh God, come to my aid. Oh, God will surely answer a prayer. With God, all things are possible.
Oh, Dr. Philip.
My queen.
I was baiting when they informed me about your presence.
Oh, okay.
Please sit.
Thank you. My queen, I was actually on my way to see a patient, and I decided to come and give you the results of the pregnancy test you had yesterday.
What is it saying?
Your heart's desire, my queen. Congratulations, you're carrying a baby boy.
I'm what? I'm carrying a baby boy! A baby boy! Doctor! It's a baby boy! Finally, a baby boy! Oh, thank you, doctor. Doctor. Okay, I hope this will be intact. I hope nothing will happen to my baby. I don't want to hear stories of miscarriage.
No, my queen. I assure you that nothing will happen to you and your baby. Just make sure you take the medication as prescribed. Okay?
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
My queen, I have to be on my way.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you, baby boy. Oh, finally. Thank you. Oh, baby boy. Thank you, baby boy. Honey! Honey! Baby boy! Honey! No.
Hey.
No, I'm gonna kill myself. I want to kill myself.
No. I'm in pace. Oh God, come to my aid. Come to my aid.
It's okay. I'll show you one thing. I will get to the root of this matter. I promise you.
With God, all things are possible.
It's okay.
God will surely answer our prayer.
Old, haggard woman, what are you doing in front of my car? Will you step out of my way?
Just as sleep has eluded the house of the rich and favored that of the poor, death has left the poor to visit the wealthy.
No, that's not what you're talking about. I don't have your time. Get out of my way.
Now listen to me. What an old woman sees seated, a young boy like you would never see, even while standing on the tallest mountain.
Old woman, do you have an idea who you're talking to? Oh no, is she talking to me? Are you referring to me?
That which is sick is within. Look before you leap.
She speaks with so much riddles. Your Majesty, let's leave this old woman so we can continue with our journey.
You evil and wicked man. You are a hypocrite, a pretender. And you would go and come back and still find me here. I'm waiting.
I will go and still find you here.
Leprosy! Crush this woman! Crush that woman! Leprosy! What is my word? Crush that woman!
I will be waiting right here.
Oh, we'll go now, go!
Can you imagine the nonsense? Such waste of time! What is this? What is this? Man!
Olu, this is so strange. This has never been heard or seen before.
Your Majesty, this is an abomination. Our kingdom is in trouble.
Strange tortoise on my throne! Now you have an idea what my family and I are passing through. And why I have been seeking for solution! Look! A tortoise on my throne!
Your Majesty, what do we do?
villagers. I need to let them know what my family and I are passing through.
Your Majesty, assembling the villagers won't be the ideal solution. Yes.
Did I hear you say ideal? What do you know about ideal? Speak to me! What do you know about ideal? Is this ideal? I'm asking you, is this ideal? You no longer have words. What should I do? It is obvious that my council of elders have no clue concerning what I am passing through or how it can be handled. Now you see, there is nothing ideal about this.
Your Majesty, Akataka said the solution to this problem is within the kingdom. It coincides with what Awa, the old woman, said. Could you remember? As she said, what to seek from afar is within. Fana John Ukelu, what in Ukala?
Icheude, that woman is a drunk and have not been stable mentally. Her words is unstable and should not be taken seriously.
You listen to me. Let it be the first and the last time you mention that woman here again. I was talking! You were dancing! Let me not hear that woman's name here again. Do you understand? You're putting your face down. Look at me! Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You're right. That woman is a drunk. Just a beggar who talks carelessly.
You know her, Your Majesty.
Wait a minute. Did you point this miserable fingers of yours at me? Get out this minute! Both of you! Out! Are you catwalking? Move! Move it! Sorry! Get out! Out!
No. Your food is ready. Should I serve your food?
Please hurry.
Okay.
I'm very hungry. What are you standing there for?
No.
Yes.
I observe you have been moody since yesterday you came back. I hope it has nothing to do with your trip.
Thank you.
No.
Go and bring my food. I'm hungry.
It's okay.
Nekiru! Nekiru!
Nine!
Chinekeme, look at Margot!
Hey! Naiguribu! Iguribu!
Margot in my food!
Hey! Abomination! Now something is wrong somewhere! Hey! Chimo!
You are very right. Something is wrong somewhere.
Yes.
Gods of our land, don't consume us in anger, please. Ah! Margot! Igwe. Yes. Igwe, Your Majesty. Yes. Igwe, something is happening here. My food. Yes, everywhere, maggot. Maggot covered my food. Even my wash hand water filled with blood. My food. Hey! Chinekeme. Okay, sir, I am on my way, please.
Wait, let me serve you another food.
Ah!
No.
No. Eh? I'm coming.
Let me wait now.
I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. Wait.
Oh, my beautiful princesses.
Mommy. Oh. You're here and we've been looking for you inside.
Oh, my beautiful princesses. Is there anything you want mommy to do for you?
We came here to tell you what we want for dinner.
Oh, okay. So you name anything you want for dinner and trust me, it shall be granted. I'm all ears.
What are we going to have?
Your Majesty, things have gone out of hands and urgent steps are needed to make things normal. We can't sit here and watch she-goat delivers wild child to its teethers.
Enough! That is not why I called you here. I did not call you here for some stupid, idiomatic expression. I called you for something very important. Look at you. Aren't you the Onowu of this kingdom? The Prime Minister of my kingdom. Look at you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You are the Prime Minister, the Onowu of my kingdom, and yet you do not have any contribution, any suggestion as to what we are going through. We have pressing issues. We need to provide solution to the calamity that has befallen this great kingdom. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You and other members of my cabinet are a bunch of disappointments. Yes! Where is Ebo? Where is Ude?
Your Majesty, calm down. You don't need to talk like this. They are on their way coming.
When? I gave an appointment. They are supposed to be able to look at how nonchalant they are. We have serious issues. We need solutions to the calamity that has befallen this great kingdom. We need to unravel the mystery that our solution lies within. These are the answers you're supposed to give to me and not some stupid, idiomatic expressions. I need... What is it? What happened? What happened?
She suddenly snapped. I don't know. I got to do something. I don't know what to do.
Something.
Majesty, I think after the old woman may be of help. Let's ask her questions. I have not forgotten what she said, that what we seek from afar is within.
Then we should go see at once. Yeah. That was exactly what Akataka said. Can we go? Lead me the way, babe. Just keep an eye on her.
Alright.
I'm ready. Shall we? Shall we?
We shall.
Shall we?
We shall.
Move back.
Yes, sir.
Move back. Keep an eye on my daughter. Shall we? Go!
Alright. Please wake up. I don't want to know this Hey, what is going on? Confusion everywhere. Which is
How did you find me?
Where is your daughter? That is why I'm here.
She should be upstairs in her room. We can go there.
I am not going in there. You go and bring her out!
Leprosy!
Your Majesty.
Yeah. Go upstairs. Bring my daughter. Move it.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh. I need fresh and sweet palm wine. May I have some?
Well, unfortunately, we do not have fresh palm wine in the house. How about I give you money so you can buy as much as you want?
Give me the money. I'll buy any quantity. Let me have the money. What are you?
Easy.
Watch her head. Pull down her dress, for she is a lady. My money, my money. My money, my money. Huh? Oh, palm wine. Fresh palm wine. I will buy. Give me water! Water!
COVID! Your Majesty. Fast!
Idiot! Open it!
Fast!
Are you all right, my daughter?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you. You ought to be thankful. You ought to be thankful. Huh? You saw my money and you didn't tell me. You want to take my money? Hey! Take my money. Take. Someone pick my money. Okay, I'll pick it myself. Be good. Palm wine. I'm going to buy palm wine.
How about my chief girl leprosy should drop you off?
I don't want anyone to drop me off. I know my way around this vicinity. Leprosy. How
about COVID?
Oh! It would kill me. I know how to transport myself home. Palm wine. Hey!
I heard my sister telling you about Ijele wine.
So you know about her?
Who doesn't know Ijele wine? The most powerful jungle queen. We can take you there if you want.
Okay, I've already told Shoma to dress up.
Okay.
You know what? You two should go and dress up, so you both can accompany me.
Okay.
I'll be here waiting for you, just be fast about it.
Okay.
Alright.
So how have you two been coping?
Oh, we have been living like one united family.
I am happy to hear that peace has returned to your home.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything. It has been your initiative. Thank you.
The gods be praised.
You say?
Are you sure you do not want me to offer you anything?
We are fine, Ijele wine. Thanks, we'll be leaving.
The gods go and be with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We take our leave. Let's go. Hey.
Why do people think I am evil when the record shows I am worthy of emulation?
Honestly, I don't know.
It's the irony of life. Remember, keep your mouth shut.
Sochi, why will you be flirting with another man? Why you know it will endanger your husband's life? Aye, Sochi?
Sochima, you want to kill me so that we could get start having fun with your lovers. You want me to die, Sochima? It will not be well with you.
I'm not guilty of this accusation. I'm innocent.
You are even still lying.
No.
Shut up. You are talking as if we don't know you. We know how many of our friends you have slept with.
Sochi, you are guilty. You are guilty.
So, stop denying. Our custom and tradition is clear. You will be stoned to death.
Bam. Then what you got to Jara? You want to kill my brother for me?
See.
Aye, Sochima.
Yes, we all know the consequences of the accusation. Rubbish. Sochima. Hey.
What has she done that you want to kill her?
She was caught sleeping with another man, and this abominable act.
How do you mean?
Ijele wine, If she should eat any food she cook, I will die. So she have to die.
I'm innocent, my husband. Believe me, I'm
You will be stoned to death.
What?
You will be stoned to death. Obia.
Very well then. Woman, step into this place. Let he or she that has never committed such abominable act be the first to cast a stone. I warn you, if you are guilty of this same crime and you dare cast a stone on her, you will die. Proceed.
They have all gone. Nobody stoned her.
Only her chi can condemn her.
Thank you, Jeremiah.
Your wife is innocent. Evil men have conspired and accused her falsely because she has refused to sleep with them.
Hey!
Secure your home and stop listening to gossips.
Thank you, Isabel.
Thank you, Jeremiah.
I'm so sorry. Please, my love, I'm sorry. Please. I'm so sorry. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me, my love. I'm sorry.
Why do people think I am evil when the record shows I am worthy of emulation?
Honestly, I don't know.
It's the irony of life. Remember, keep your mouth shut.
Dream again. My mouth is sealed.
One name, Ogo. Oh, Papa.
Oh, Meso.
Sir. Papa, I'm back. Ogo. Hey, one name. What happened?
The crisis that enveloped our community has finally stopped. But how did you know? I heard the rumors everywhere around the village. And myself, I was opportune to see some of the victims that were affected by the plagues. They are all now healed. This is good news, sir. Papa, can you hear that? Sister, that means now we can go ahead with our business without any fear. You can say that again. Hey.
Gods of our land, Thank you for honoring the words of Akwa. Who would have believed her pronouncement will come to pass? That's a good news. You are just coming back from the market.
Yes, sir.
Please, go and get me something to eat.
Okay, sir.
You,
Ogo,
follow that.
please, let's go. Let's go.
This deserves a celebration.
Yes,
So
sir.
go and just cook something.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Whose son is this and what is he doing here?
I was asked to watch over him.
You were asked to watch over him. By who?
I don't know, Your Majesty.
You don't know?
Do not touch that baby!
Why? Why shouldn't I touch him? He's in my house.
I will kill you if you touch him.
I'll touch this child no matter what. It's my responsibility.
Be prepared to die.
Go ahead. Kill me. But as for this boy, he is my responsibility.
What do you want from me? Let me be! Leave me alone! Please. Can I keep my son, please? What do you want from me?
Surrender the baby now!
No. No, I won't. Let me have my child, please. Let me go. What do you want from me?
Very well then. I'll have to kill you.
No. No, 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 no. You can have him. 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 Please.
Oh, you can't kill me. She cannot kill me. This mysterious nightmare again. Why is this happening to me? Why? Why do I keep having this nightmare? Why? Why can't I have a son? Why? All the witch doctors and dream interpreters they brought to me are all unable to tell me my dream. Not to talk of interpreting them.
What am I going to do? How long is this going to last? Will I ever find a solution to this problem? Gods of my ancestors, what do I do?
Your Majesty, you are welcome.
Thank you very much, Aqua. I want to thank you very much for what you did for my family, for healing my daughter, and most importantly, to let you know that the calamities that befell my kingdom have ceased. Thank you.
That is not why you are here. I know why you're here.
You do?
You're here because of the nightmares that have been disturbing you.
How did you know about my nightmares?
The great lot you do not know that you ought to know. But someday I would tell you what.
Aqua, please. There's no better time than now.
I have to go and take my palm wine. Would you like to come along?
Of course. Of course.
Let's go. Do 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 da bo. Do 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 da bo da bo. Your Majesty, you sent for me.
Said.
Your Majesty, I am truly sorry for what happened earlier this morning. I don't know what happened. Something must have gone wrong somewhere.
If not for the fact that I have tasted your food, I would have told you otherwise. The question here is, what really happened?
I don't know. I really can't tell. I don't know what went wrong. But I promise you, it will never happen again.
Of course it will never happen again.
I'm so sorry. I wasn't...
I'll give you 2 days. 2 days for you to right your wrong.
I regret not preparing your supper.
Let it not happen again.
I promise you. Never again. It won't happen again. I'll try. I'll be more careful. Okay. Okay.
Good night.
The weather's really going to bed.
Where's everyone? COVID! The gods forbid! Hamatan, where is everyone? Call them, call them. Where are the maidens? Where's everyone? Your Majesty. Where are you? Where are the maidens? Call everybody. Aha! Great! I now have an heir, a son. How come none of you are celebrating with me? Huh? Keep laughing. Celebrate with me. Smile for me. Shake your bodies. Shake your bodies. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. That reminds me. Where is the queen? You know. Go to her room, call her. Tell her It's celebration time. Huh? All right, go ahead. Move it. Aha. Everyone, keep dancing. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. I want to see your teeth. Yes, keep dancing. Shake your body. Shake it. Aha. It's celebration time. Aha. Yeah, here we go. Aha. Now you see the air. The air. Keep laughing. That's the cry of a baby boy. You're not dancing. Shake your body. Laugh for no reason. Laugh for every reason. Aha. Keep moving. Move it. Aha. Go big. There you go. Aha. Move it. Aha, my turn. Aha.
Give me the face!
Why? Why should I give you the boy?
I want the baby!
You can't have him.
Give him to me!
No, you won't!
Give me the boy!
No, you won't take my happiness!
The boy.
You won't take my happiness!
Give me the boy!
No!
I want him!
No, you won't take my happiness! Why am I still having those terrible dreams? Why? You gave me your words that this nightmare will stop. What is this?
How dare you speak to me in that manner?
How else am I supposed to speak with you? Tell me, what manner you expect? Lift you up, hurt you? Yes, you if that's what you want. I need answers. Why am I still having these nightmares?
Your Majesty, your stubbornness is getting out of hand. You must listen to the voice of wisdom, and that is my voice.
Just like I did.
If you must know, you have to pay attention. Boy. Good. So I can tell you why the nightmares haven't stopped. I'm actually sitting with the king.
All right. I'm seated. What am I supposed to know? Talk!
It's about what happened before the curse.
Now, once again, you're welcome to my kingdom and palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Welcome. And I want to use this opportunity to urge all of you to give her the best of hospitality that you can during our stay here. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good.
Odogunwani, please, if there's anything you may need from us, do not hesitate to tell us.
Oh yes, do not hesitate.
Thank you so much.
Let me take it to you. This way.
And you can now go back to your duty posts.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Did you enjoy the walkout around my kingdom?
I absolutely did, Your Majesty. Your kingdom is filled with lots of natural and human resources. You have a vast kingdom.
That's so wonderful to hear. And thank you for the compliment.
I also want to use this opportunity to tell you that I am ready to return to my place of abode.
No. This is just 4 days that you've been here. You can't go just like that. You have to stay.
In that 4 days, Your Majesty, I have enjoyed enough hospitality from you and your people.
No, I actually want you to stay for 1 month. So you have to prepare your mind to elongate your stay here in the palace. Yes.
Your Majesty, prolonging my stay in your palace is not in my place to approve. I will, however, commune with the gods. If they sanction my stay, then...
I think I don't have a problem with that. Commune with the gods, and I believe that they would approve of it. See, you've done so much for me. I want you to stay this long so that you can enjoy the hospitality that my kingdom can offer you. Do you understand? Yes. Meanwhile, I would want you to go in and freshen up. When you're done, we can talk.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Once again, you're welcome.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, my dear. Has it been long she slept?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh, very good. Make sure her food is ready before she wakes up. I do not want her to lack anything. Is that understood?
Your wish is my command, Your Majesty.
Well, I am here to discuss something very important with you.
What is it, Your Majesty?
Well, it is not against saying that you are a special maiden, and your benevolence has been echoed even on top the mountains. The truth is, I have this strong feeling for you, and I really would want you to be my second wife. Who knows? The gods might bless this union with an heir apparent to the throne. I beg of you, do not say no. Please.
Your Majesty, I am only but a messenger of the gods. And in the name of the gods, I am not allowed to have any carnal affair.
I know. But you can talk to the gods. Talk to them. They will understand. They know that I'm serious and I mean well for you. Talk to them.
Please leave.
Please, I am serious. Okay. Can you please think about it? Think about it.
Your Majesty, please leave. Now.
Just think about it, okay? I'm serious.
I hope there is no problem.
Your Majesty, is everything alright?
Yes.
Why are you here by this time of the night?
The truth is, I can't resist you any longer. Yes, my body, spirit and soul craves to have you. Please do not say no, I beg you.
Please.
The truth is...
I say no, I forbid you. Leave.
Listen to me. I am going to make it a worthwhile experience for you. In fact, today is going to be your best and most memorable day in life.
Please leave this place.
Don't shout. People are there.
Stay away from me.
Please.
Stay away from me.
Stay
away from me.
Greetings, my queen. Yes, maidens. What is it?
My queen, there is something we noticed about her that I would like to talk to you about.
Go ahead.
My queen, she's pregnant.
How did you know?
My grandmother was a midwife, and she showed me the early symptoms of a pregnant person.
If she's pregnant, who might be responsible?
My queen, I think she's in a better place to tell you who that is.
Yes, my queen.
Go and call her immediately.
Yes, my queen.
I was reliably informed by the maidens assigned to you of your present condition. So tell me, who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Your husband, King Dikeh.
You said?
He raped me.
Now I get it. You have other ideas of coming to this palace. Your mission is to steal my husband. Huh?
No, my queen. He forced himself on me.
I don't care who you are. I want you to leave this palace immediately. I, Obiageli, can be very nice. But when pushed to the limit, can be the most dangerous creature. Huh?
Yes, my queen.
My king, I need to know when our visitor would be leaving. She has been with us for over a month now.
She hasn't said anything as to when she intends to leave. Besides, I don't think it is proper to ask her to leave when she has not said anything about that.
I won't continue to live in the same roof with her. It's not possible. She must leave.
Obiageri, you are going beyond your limits. I am still the king of this land. I give the orders.
You think I'm not aware of your plan? To make her your second wife?
And what is wrong with that?
Is that why you got her pregnant?
Oh yes, I am responsible for that pregnancy. Besides, I'm an African. Our tradition supports polygamy.
Your Majesty, she must leave.
She must stay. She goes nowhere.
I'll leave.
You can't leave just like that. How could you? What about the child? You need my care now more than ever. Especially now that you're in this condition. Please, don't go, okay? Please.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. It is not my intention to bring trouble to your home. I hope you forgive me.
But you are not leaving!
Majesty, Anwana Bwebo Natani, Odogo Wanine. You know I trust you so much. I respect you a lot.
I know.
I can always count on me. There is something I want to ask you, and I need you to tell me the truth.
Okay.
Are you really responsible for that pregnancy?
Of course I am. Oh no, listen, what you hear is not just a rumor. It is the truth. Now listen, at this my position, I cannot lie again. Because the day I lie, that same day I die. In fact, I deflowered her.
Igwe, are you serious?
Of course I am serious. Hey! Telling you the truth. You know what?
I enjoyed the experience. It was a wonderful one.
That's why I'm always talking about you. Odogu Akataka. Amana boy Bonatanli. Ah! You will live long, Igwe. You will live long.
Thank you.
In that case, we have to go and see her. So you can perform the necessary marital rites. Never can tell. She can give you a male child who will be the heir apparent to the throne.
Well, we have to do that as soon as possible. We have to go and see her so that she can take us to our people.
Exactly.
That way we can perform the conjugal rites.
Now you are talking.
You're welcome.
Iwe.
Akogo, now that the marriage rite has been completed, I want you to prepare so that we can live together.
Your wife, Obiageli, threatened me. I do not take her threats lightly. More so, the gods will have to approve before I leave this place.
So when are we expecting to see you in the palace? And as for Obiageri's threat, I can assure you there is nothing to it. Don't even worry yourself about that.
When I commune with the gods and they tell me when to leave for Umuagunze, I will send word to you.
But how soon would that be?
In a fortnight, I hope.
I think that is very fine. It's okay. May the gods be praised.
What? You mean she's not here?
Yes.
She could have been here. Eh? She's ought to be here.
Or she's not here. What do we do?
You know what? I think we'll make our presence being felt by destroying this place. Yes!
I think you have a point. We have to destroy here.
In fact, I will even peace here. Destroy it!
Your Majesty, it calls for a celebration.
You can say that again. Maiden! Maiden!
Your Majesty.
Please go and get us water.
Your Majesty, where's your new bride? Or hasn't she come?
I haven't seen her. The time she gave to come has long elapsed. I don't know what exactly is the problem.
Are you sure all is well? In that case, you have to come to visit tomorrow.
That is not a bad idea. You're welcome.
So, by what time am I going to be coming here tomorrow?
As soon as I see you here, we are going.
Okay, I'll be here tomorrow morning then.
That's okay.
Ebube, where is she now? What's keeping her?
See, that woman doesn't know we don't have any time to waste. Eh?
Okay.
Happy. Good afternoon.
Our queen, why keeping us waiting?
I'm sorry for that. I had to make sure no one was following me.
Please give us our balance because we're not supposed to be seen here by anyone.
How did it go?
Queen, don't you trust us? Ebube and Ofo.
I do, but I'm curious to know how the plan was executed.
My queen, as a matter of fact, we destroyed her hut. We make sure we scattered everywhere.
So she was successfully killed?
Exactly.
Queen, she's gone. She will never be seen on the surface of this earth again.
Yes, now.
Believe me, we executed that deal yesterday successfully.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good.
I'm grateful.
Our balance.
Here's your balance.
Okay, thank you.
Come on, bring that. How can you want like this? Calm down. I'm tired now. Nice doing business with you.
Thank you.
Mobolami.
Our queen, in case of next time, call us again.
Mobolami.
Let me see how she will give birth and come and destroy my home.
Onye ka emechara.
Who did this? When did this happen?
Your Majesty, I don't really know, but the way I'm seeing it seems like it's been long.
Guard! Look around. See if we can find anything that will help us locate her.
God, do you see anything?
Did you find anything?
Why not? There's no person found here.
Where could she be? I'm worried about my unborn child. Anyway, let's go.
That is the Genesis. The beginning. It was Webido. That is how the curse came.
How does it concern me? How? Why is it so? Why is it haunting me?
Because you're the king. You said, you are the king. You are the king. That's why.
I'm the king. How do we solve this problem once and for all?
No, why? You have to find her. You have to find her. That is the only way the problem will be solved.
How am I supposed to find someone I do not know?
See, you scare me when you shout. You are so stubborn. You are stubborn. You are stubborn. That's why your hair is growing like this. Check, 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 check. Oh, the king. The king. I was just... Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Holy... You want some holy water? Some... King.
Am I supposed to drink that?
It's meant for me.
She must have put vitamin C inside, you know. It helped boost our immune system, of course. I'm hungry. Shall we?
Vitamin C.
Yeah.
What is this? Urine?
Are you okay? Can you smell anything?
I can smell your armpit.
Ready? You saved us urine, didn't you?
Your urine? I never went.
Who did this?
Oh! Who did it? I don't know. I don't know.
But you saved this food!
Someone must have done it. I didn't do it.
Didn't do it?
Huh?
Who did?
I don't know. There must be some misunderstanding somewhere.
Get out. Huh? Get out, Aqua!
I am on it, Your Majesty. I am on it.
Your Majesty, when are you going to put an end to this madness by sending this woman out of this palace? When?
You just shouted at me. I act like I did not say it. Get out.
Excuse me.
Onye ka emechara onye ga-azọpụta
afford the coffee. Go!
Go!
Go! Move away! Go! Leave our palace! Go! Let me be going! Come and be going now! Go! Yes, go! Come and be going! Continue! Come and be going! Be going! Move away! Be going!
What is going on? Confusion everywhere. Why this happening? What is really wrong? Oh yeah. Onye ka emechara, onye ga-azọpụta.
Your Majesty!
Yes.
I'm proud to have you as a father.
Why did you say that?
You're the best dad in the whole world.
Well, my beautiful princesses, coming from you, I'm overwhelmed. Should I tell you something? You are the best children in this world, and I love you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, my beautiful princesses.
You know, I have always prayed for us to be this happy and united. And I'm very happy it's happening now.
My beautiful queen, let's just say the gods have answered your prayers. We will always remain happy.
Of course.
Always.
You will only be happy when I say so.
You again. Stay away from my family! What have we done to you? What is it? Leave us alone!
I am here to take away your little happiness.
No! That is not going to happen. It's not going to happen! You will do no such thing! Guards!
I dare you to try to stop me, Igwe Chidiebube. Princesses, come.
No, I won't let you take my children. No!
Come on, princesses. Come to me.
Princess,
Now!
So, you see, such moonlight tale made us believe that tortoise is the most cunning animal on earth.
Okay. Mommy, where could tortoise be found?
Where could tortoise be found? Well, he normally lives around water and cold mountainous environment.
Okay. But what do they eat?
What do they eat? Humans! Don't mind me, I'm just kidding. Were you scared? Okay. They feed on insects like crickets, worms, and small fishes.
Worms?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ew. Your Highness, what would you like me to prepare for breakfast?
Maybe plantain.
No! Tea!
No, plantain.
It's breakfast, so it has to be tea!
No.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just get us out. Plantain and tea.
Yay!
Okay. Oh, my lord. Where are you headed?
How are you?
I'm fine, Daddy.
How are you?
Fine.
Where are you headed?
I have a meeting with Agua. That's where I'm going. I'll see you guys when I come back.
Dikeh, Lebechi, please, I want to use this opportunity to beg for your forgiveness. Please. See, if there's anything I've done to you, to wrong you girls, please forgive me. See, I cut off the relationship as soon as I found out that it's not going to work for both of us.
Well, it's okay. There's nothing we can do. We understand.
Abi, it's not like I have much to say. This thing is not a do-or-die affair.
Of course.
After all, we've moved on with our lives, right?
Yes.
So, it's okay. We're fine.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my good friends. My prayer is that God is going to give you your perfect man, just the way he has given Chima to me. So he's yours now, eh? Yes.
Well, you're lucky. Let's conclude on the arrangements on your wedding. Yes.
My bridal train will soon be ready.
Okay. We will soon be ready, or is ready?
He's ready already.
He's ready. Okay. I'm not bringing it so we'll see.
I wonder.
Hey, watch out. Let me get it so we'll see.
Happy baby. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Get the way.
You're doing well. You're doing well. Happy.
Open the door for me.
Why did Igwe come to look for the old woman that he asked to leave the palace?
I don't know.
Let's see what happens.
Move it! Move it! Meso! Meso!
Papa, you're back.
Yes, have you done cooking?
Yes, Papa, I'm almost through. When I'm done, I'll get your food.
What is your sister about?
Uncle just stepped out. She went to the nearby store here to buy detergent for washing. She'll be back soon.
It's alright.
Okay, Papa. Papa, Papa.
What is it?
Have you heard the news?
Had what?
Papa, as I just went out to buy detergent for the washing, I heard that the two princesses suddenly started to convulse and they slopped. And I also heard that, yes, that they are still unconscious. May the gods forbid.
Are you sure of this?
Papa, why will I say such thing if I'm not well informed? The news is spreading everywhere like a wildfire.
I have to get to the palace immediately.
No, Papa.
What is it?
The food is ready.
Don't worry. When I come back, I eat, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes. Let me get to the palace now. Oh my God.
Your Majesty, what brings you to my shrine?
I'm looking for Aqua. I've been finding her. I went to where she lives. She wasn't there.
You want to see her, or you want to see someone that will interpret your dreams and heal your daughters?
Aqua is the only one that can interpret my dreams. She is the only person that can revive my children.
And you let her live for something that she didn't do?
What do you mean by something she didn't do? Wait a minute. Are you saying that she's not the person who prepared the food with strands of hair and urine as water?
That was a royal conspiracy, Your Majesty. Nobody wanted her in that palace.
Who is responsible for this royal conspiracy?
She has always been the victim of offenses she has never committed. She is the cause and the cause of your terrible nightmares, Your Majesty.
You mean Aqua is responsible for my nightmares?
Yes, and only her can stop them.
Where do I find her? How do I find her?
She has told you the beginning and never told you the end.
So what do I do? Is there anything I need to know?
Look here.
Ọzụzụzụsịa onye nwe nwe weluo. Ọzụzụzụsịa onye nwe nwe weluo. N'agbanyeghị n'ụkọ si gboge. Ọzụzụzụsịa onye nwe nwe weluo. Ọzụzụzụsịa onye nwe nwe. Ọzụzụzụsịa onye nwe nwe. Onye nwe nwa Apollo
Did you have fun now?
I do.
You don't have strength. You wait. I want to ask you something. You wait now.
I'm waiting. Ego. Mama?
No.
No.
I will come to the venue immediately I drop my bucket of water. Trust me. Now I love dancing.
Okay, would you hurry up, please?
I will be there before you. Let me tell you, say, I created this special dancing step. I created it with passion. So I'm coming to teach others how to dance it.
Would you please show me?
Yeah, Uju, I trusted you. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Somebody help! Hold on. Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Akwachukwu na-enye nwa o. Sinaka Chukwu abịa. Sochi na-enye nwa o. Sinaka Chukwu abịa. Mmadụ adịghị enye nwa o. Sinaka Chukwu abịa.
Mark. Wait, what is happening? Calm down. How is she? She have just delivered a bouncing baby boy.
How? Are you serious? Thank God. How is she? And the baby?
They are fine.
Oh, thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
And breathe well. Yes.
Thank God.
Sit down, Sheila.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you.
Please now. I want to help you, please. Now, please do something now. You can't leave her in this condition. Akwachukwu na-enye nwa o. Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa. Sochi na-enye nwa o. Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa. Mmadụ adịghị enye nwa n'ụwa. Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa.
I need to go and hunt for food. Okay? I'll be back soon.
Give me a son. Akwachukwu na-enye nwa o. Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa. Sochi na-enye nwa o. Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa. Mmadụ adịghị enye nwa n'ụwa. Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa. Kwa Chukwu na-enye nwa ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa. Sochi na-enye nwa ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa. Ọ gịnị na-eme ewo 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 gịnị na-eme ewo gịnị na-eme what is happening ewo ewo gịnị na-eme ewo hey obieze what is going on? Confusion everywhere. Why this happening? Why this happening? What is really wrong? Onye onye ke mejọrọ onye ga-azọpụta obi eze gịnị na-eme gịnị na-eme ewo gịnị na-eme gịnị na-eme what is happening? Who inside this family? Royal family. Gịnị na-eme? Gịnị na-eme? Gịnị na-eme? Colors on fire.
He's a baby boy. But who might have left him here to die or be eaten by wild animals?
What do
I do? No, I cannot leave him here to die.
What is happening?
took my son. I curse you. I curse you. I curse you with every breath in it. I curse you with all my heart. I curse you. I curse the hands that took my son. I curse you, I curse you. I curse you every breath in me. I curse you. I curse you in the name of the gods. I curse you, I curse you. I curse you. I curse the room that will house my son's head. Male children will drift from your household, will drift from your generation. I curse you. I curse everything that you hold here. I curse the hands that took my child. Mighty God, I curse you. I have spoken it. I have decreed it, and so shall it be. I have done what I have spoken. I curse you. My son, my son.
Dikeh, good day. What are you doing with the baby? Sorry.
I found him in the bush. No.
Sorry.
He was dropped by the mother. Maybe she didn't want him.
Wonder shall never end. How can someone throw her own baby in the bush?
Ako, I don't know. But I brought you here because I already have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 children. I don't need more. I'm still struggling to train my 7 boys and 2 girls. So please, take him and care for him.
Dikeh. You are aware that I'm richly blessed with both male and female children. I don't need this baby. Please, take him back. I don't need it.
Ako.
Biko.
Ako, you are a kind-hearted midwife.
Hey.
You will find someone who is in dire need of a baby. The baby might even bring luck to them.
I think you are right. Give me the baby. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you so much. May the gods richly increase your wealth and your blessings for what you have done for this child. Thank you so much.
Dikeh.
I should be on my way. Chukwu gazie gị.
This baby is very handsome.
Oh, you can say that again.
How I wish the gods would bless me with such a baby.
My dear good friend. Blessings come to those who sincerely pray and wishes for it.
How do you mean?
The owner of this baby abandoned him in the bush, left him there for wild animals to devour. And a good man saw him and brought him to me.
What?
My dear friend, I actually invited you here because I know you are in need of a baby. Obiagele, would you love and take care of this baby like yours?
Yes, I will with everything within me. And I'm sure my husband will support me as well.
Okay, in that case, you can have the baby. Yes, have him. I know you will take care of him. Go
For real?
Yes.
For you? May the gods be praised. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm sure my family will reward you for this kind gesture. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
This was how it happened, Your Majesty.
Please, great one, who is Queen Obiageli and King Obidike?
There are no King Obidike and Queen Obiageli in Omago's kingdom, Your Majesty.
Please, who are these people and how can I find them?
The supposed Obiageli is Queen Akudo, and the Igbo Obidike is the Igbo Wadike is one of Omago's kingdom. Your father.
My parents?
Akudo is not your biological mother, but Akwa, the old haggard woman. Find her and beg her for her to cancel all the curses that she has placed on the throne. Aqua was being careful. She does not want to mention the correct persons because they are in Umagun's kingdom. She's trying to stay out of trouble. Your Majesty, Aqua is your mother. Find her and beg her for her to cancel the curse that she has placed on the throne. If she cancels the curse that she has placed on the throne, it will cancel all the nightmares, all the diverse calamity that has favored the throne, and ensures your wife gives birth to a male child.
How do I find her?
You will find her, but hurry and confirm the truth from Queen Akudo. Now. Hurry, Your Majesty.
My son, what do you want us to talk about? Is it about your recent nightmares?
Recent nightmares? You think that's why I came here? I came here for something more important.
My son, you sound so upset. What's wrong?
Why are you this heartless? Why are you this heartless?
Chidebube. Chidebube, what has come over you? Are you out of your senses?
If there's anyone out of our senses here, that person is you.
Chidebube, because you are the king of Umagun's kingdom, does not give you the audacity to talk to me in that manner. I am your mother. You suckle these two breasts of mine. You mind how you talk.
You lie! Let this be the last time you point the stain at me. You lie! Or you think I'm not aware? You are not my biological mother. Not suck those breasts of yours.
What did you just say?
You heard me clearly. Woman, look at you. You think I am not aware you took me from the midwife, Ako? How did you know about Ako? Just like I know about the conspiracy to kill Akugo because she was pregnant for my father. Right? You're surprised? How could you be this wicked? How could you be this wicked? You made that woman suffer, and because of that, she cursed the throne.
Was her cause responsible for all the crises we've been going through in this kingdom?
Just like it is responsible for you not being able to have a male child. And it's hurting me now. Take a good look at me.
Gods of our land, I never knew to get to this point. I was just trying to save my marriage with the Igwe.
You were just trying to save your marriage with the Igwe. Take a good look at me. Look at what your wickedness has done to me. I have never been a happy man. All because of your wickedness!
My son, what do we do?
What do we do? We will find Aqua. And you will apologize to her! And we hope that she lifts the curse.
My son, that will be difficult. Because I have not set my eyes on Akugo ever since then.
Akugo is that old, haggard woman they call Aqua.
What? Are you sure of this?
Look at me very well. Does it look like I am joking? I heard she's very much alive, as well as her son. We will find her, and we will ask her to lift the curse. Akugo. Akugo is Aqua! And her son is very much alive. We will find her. You will ask her for forgiveness. And then we'll plead for her to lift the curse. Akugo, how do I find you?
We've searched the entire Umagunze and she's nowhere to be found.
Great one. I'm really sorry for what I made Akugo go through. Please, how can we find her? I need to ask for her forgiveness.
Quiet one. You are very heartless. You don't deserve her forgiveness. She could have died for what you made her pass through. It was never her fault that your husband got her pregnant.
I am sorry, Great One. I was envious of sharing my husband with her.
Fate! She was destined to give birth to the prince of Umagunze kingdom. In spite of you made her pass through, she still gave birth to the prince of Umagunze kingdom.
Great One. Is Igwe Chidebube really Akugo's son? Is he the product of that pregnancy?
The gods are wise. The wisdom of men is foolishness unto the gods. How could you have explained to the people that you gave birth to Chidebube when they ask you? How? Your Majesty, I'm speaking the mind of other members of elders and council. You see, I am a to ministry because we never observed the queen pregnant. All of a sudden, she has a son. So what we are saying is that the throne of this kingdom is not for strangers. So we want proof that this boy is actually from your loins. That's what we are saying, Your Majesty.
His Majesty, Amangwe Dikizu, you've heard him. What do you have to say?
Nothing. I have absolutely nothing to say. The Ezemo is here. What else do I have to say? Your Majesty, once again, I greet you. I am here today because I know that today is going to be remarkable. Today, the truth will be revealed. Let me have the baby. If this baby is the prince and the heir apparent to the throne, he will live. But if he is a stranger, impersonated as a prince at the touch of my spiritual staff, he will die. Our queen, I ask again, is this your son?
Yes, Ezemo.
Gods of our land, this is the time to reveal the truth. If this baby is truly the heir apparent, let him live at the touch of my spiritual staff. But if he's a stranger, let him go the way of mortals. The gods have spoken. The baby is from the loins, and he is fit. The gods are wise. May the gods be praised. You see, at last.
You are surprised.
You are surprised how it happened. You now know the process which you got the baby from.
Yes. I got the baby from Ako, the midwife.
Someone took the baby from where Akugo dropped her to go to search for food and water. Somebody came and took the baby from where Akugo dropped him. When Akugo came back, she thought the baby has been stolen. She placed a curse on anyone who must have taken her baby. And that is how and why the royal family is under that curse till today. And the curse is on any family that the baby will be living under their roof. And that is how the royal family is under that curse. And only through the words of her mouth that the curse can be reversed as long as she lives.
I now believe, Great One. Please, how can we find her? I will do anything. Help us find her, please.
Wise one. It appears you're our last hope. Please, help me find my mother. Please.
Sister, my dear, Amaka is indeed very lucky to have married someone like Chima. The guy is so rich. Eh? You can say that again. One name. You can say that again.
Hey! Did you see the class of dignitaries that came for this traditional wedding?
My sister, I got scared the way they were spraying money.
As in, people are rich. Oh. There are so many rich people in this marriage. As in, I've never seen today. I've seen rich people.
And Chima has big friends with big cars. Spraying money like it's nothing. Eh?
Hey. Where are they seeing this money, sir?
I don't know.
Hey! It is well. Thank God. I'm happy for her.
Well, I wish them a happy home. Yes, so.
And I pray for them that this their marriage will produce both male and female children.
Amen, oh, amen. Amen. Amaka is a nice girl. She deserves Chima. Eh? She deserves Chima.
Yes, so let's celebrate her so that very soon,
our
it
own
will be our turn.
Yes, so my
it's our turn to celebrate very
now.
soon.
Let's go and enjoy this.
Let's go and join it too.
Let's go.
So that we'll meet. Go.
Aqua. Mother.
What are you doing in my palace? I don't know how. Please. Ijelenwe, I am so sorry. I know I have wronged you greatly. I'm not worthy to lie.
What did I do to you that you planned to terminate my life and that of my son?
Please forgive me. Forgive me. I allowed envy and hatred to take better part of me. I am sorry. Please, if for nothing, for the sake of your son, Chidebubi, please.
I knew that you would come here. You see, what belongs to me stays mine.
Great Ijelanwai, because of my mistakes in the past, your son Chidebubi have suffered a lot. He's suffering from the cause. Please, I beg you, kindly reverse the cause
so that he will be a free man. Biko.
The curse can only be reversed if I get reinstated in the palace as the queen.
There's no problem about that. There's no problem at all. If the palace is yours, please come back to the palace and take what rightfully belongs to you.
You cannot cover up for too long. And you cannot hide the truth for too long.
Find it in your heart to forgive. I bless the gods today I found out that you were my mother. Please, mother, come and take your rightful place as queen.
I can't do that. You first have to liaise with the elders. They would tell you what to do.
Elders in council, she said you know what.
She's right. She was duly married by your father, Igwe Abodikisu. Queen Akudo tried to kill her, and she ran away.
She has never had the opportunity to be in the palace as a queen.
That means we have to pacify her father's kinsmen, appease their gods before she can come back into this palace.
That is the right thing to do, and they call it Iwachite. That is to bring back the woman.
In that case, whatever you need will be provided, as long as you do it fast and you do it right. Have I made myself clear?
Gods of our land, spirits of our ancestors, though I have human eyes, you gave me the power to see you and talk to you. You have been there for me. You are here with me, and you would continue to be with me. Gods of our land, I speak the language of the gods because you gave me the power to do so. I understand what you tell me. I come today to say thank you. Everything has settled. But I beg of one thing from you all. The curse! The curse that I put on the royal family that took in my son. I beg you, from the bottom of my heart, to please take away the curse. The gods are always wise, and that is why you took my son to his father. Even though he never realized that young child that took in happens to be his son. Thank you, gods of our land. I beg of you, bring peace into the royal family. Lift up that curse and let them find peace once and for all.
Today is a very remarkable day.
lives and the entire indigenous community. I invited you all so that you can witness an unveiling truth. It might be sad, it might be bitter, but it must be said. Nchuangu, Asili, go in and like I said earlier, whoever solves this puzzle will earn an instant reward. Please, I want you all to look at this beautiful woman. Aside my family, the royal household, and the elders in council, whoever tells me who this woman standing here is will earn an instant reward.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Speak.
I know I am blind, but my instinct tells me that she is a great woman, the mother of a great man.
Great people of Umuagunze. The rejected stone, the forbidden stone, has become the chief cornerstone. By my left here is Ak, the one you all call Aga. What? She is my biological mother. Hey! Not just that, the Queen Mother. She is the one my father got pregnant, and I happen to be the result of that pregnancy.
She is Akwaogo, the Queen Mother. You're welcome.
Thank you, Onowu.
Welcome, Akugo.
Thank you.
Welcome back, Mother.
Thank you, sir.
By the power conferred in me as King, Ebube of Umuagunze, I integrate you back to this kingdom, not just as my mother, but as the Queen Mother. Put your hands together for me.
Your Majesty.
You're being able to answer the quiz that my son presented has earned you a blessing. That information was made known to you by the gods. Can someone get him water to wash his eyes?
Leprosy! Your Majesty. Water! I see you all are surprised. Huh? More surprises below.
For so long, but you cannot claim it finally when truth have come. Now when you go see woke, as you say, onye we wa bolu wa ya.
Hey! I can see! I can see! You go Charlie. Oh! Akugo! The great one, thank you!
You should thank the gods.
This is red cap. Yes. I can see.
Thank the gods. Thank the gods.
All right, everyone. The reception of this great occasion will be at the village square. So all road leads to the village square. There'll be a lot to eat, to drink. It's a very remarkable day, as I said earlier. Isn't it? Put your hands together.
Shema